Hello, my name is Arnold Villeneuve, and I'm a certified Microsoft Power Platform expert with many years of experience. In this course, we will focus on the Power App Maker application development solution. Are you struggling to streamline your business operations and related forms, spending hours on manual tasks, and facing data capture challenges? Or are you finding it difficult to gather and analyze data from various sources? These are just a few pain points that the PL-100 course addresses. Microsoft's PL-100 course is designed to help you gain a comprehensive understanding of the Power App Maker, a no-code, low-code application development platform to help you solve common business problems. The course consists of 6 modules, starting with an introduction to the Power Platform and ending with creating custom solutions. Along the way, you will learn to create and manage data, build custom apps, and automate workflows using Power Automate. During your training, you will have access to a virtual machine with everything you need loaded and ready for use, including a Power Platform subscription, learning materials, demo files, and more. Upon completing this course, you will continue to have access to the live Power Platform environment, so you can practice what you have learned in a safe environment. You also receive a free one-on-one 1 hour with your instructor, which you can utilize after the course for additional questions and answers, practice, and more. The PL-100 course is suitable for anyone looking to gain a foundational understanding of the Power Platform and Power App Maker in particular. It is recommended that customers have completed the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals course or have equivalent experience. By the end of the course, you'll have a deep understanding of the Power Platform, Power App Maker, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and how to use them together to solve common business problems. You'll be able to create custom apps, automate workflows, and even develop a chatbot in a more efficient and effective way. Thank you for considering the PL-100 training course. We look forward to seeing you on the course and helping you achieve your goals with the Microsoft Power Platform.